Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at SubOptic 2025 in Lisbon, and today I'm joined by Lynsey Thomas. She's a program chair of SubOptic 2025. Lynsey, welcome to my hot seat. Finally.
Thank you, Isabel. It's lovely to be here.
So Lynsey, as a program chair, what is your role?
Well, the program chair, the role is really for 2 years to sort out the program for the next conference. So when I was invited 2 years ago to take up the role as program chair, the same time as Eduardo Mateo from NEC was appointed as papers chair, the first thing we had to do was set up our committees that we wanted to work with. So I formed a small group of people, the program committee, and Eduardo formed his papers reviewers team. And then we sat together and thought about what should the theme of the conference be. And that's the starting position of everything. So we worked on the theme first, and then we built out what keynote speakers do we want, what new items do we want to introduce. This time we've introduced some workshops and something called the introducing session, which is designed for the entry-level audience. And it's in a silent disco format. That's been very successful. So we sort of really just spent 2 years building up the whole program. Eduardo worked exclusively on the papers, making sure all the abstracts were submitted, all the themes were agreed. And then as we get closer to the event, working with Terrapin on the proceedings and the arrangements and the dinners and the entertainment, and that's the fun bit. And yes, it's been really successful this week. Yes. We're not finished yet, but it's going well.
I agree. It's an amazing conference. Congratulations. I think you've done amazing. I've attended a few of the sessions, not enough because I'm busy filming, but congratulations. You've done a great job. So what are the key themes being discussed this year at the conference?
Well, the theme of the conference was what's on the horizon, future-proofing our digital infrastructure. And what we really wanted to talk about was the fact that the world is changing fast. You know, the dependency on the internet is growing and growing, especially with the AI. And geopolitical change, environmental change. And we really wanted to look at how that was affecting us in terms of technology, standardization, new best working practices, what requires scrutiny. So we've tried to ensure that the content is forward-facing while also reflecting on the status quo, lessons we can learn from the past, and improvements to be made. So it's a very future-focused, but with an eye in the past.
Okay. And you do much more than being the program chair of SubOptic. I know that. Tell us everything else that you do in the industry. You do a lot.
Well, I'm a consultant. I have my own business. I have had it for quite a while now. And I do a reasonable amount of sort of advisory work on new projects, new investments. I work a lot on the project management side as well for new build cable systems, from the tendering process and negotiations of the contract to implementing and building the projects, and actually sometimes on the O&M side. I'm also on the board of Syrian Technologies in Latin America, which keeps me busy a lot. And for fun, my fun interest as well is I do some writing, some sort of thought leadership writing in the industry, and some marketing work as well. So really varied, but that's what I love about this industry and my job and being a consultant is there's such a wide variety of things to cover in this industry. It's so important. It's a great community, and I've been in it for nearly 30 years now. And so I know a lot of people, and it's just, I enjoy working with everyone. And so see what comes next.
You're a busy woman, Lynsey. And thank you because, you've brought me some of your customers to be interviewed. So I would like to thank you. They're amazing. Number one, they're doing some amazing project. And thank you so much for a great interview, Lynsey.
Thank you, Isabel. It's always a pleasure.
Everyone, thank you for watching. And until my next hot shot.